The Nothing CMF Phone 1 really stands out from the crowd. With a unique design, swappable accessories, solid performance, and great battery life. It's perfect for anyone who values style, wants something different, and doesn't want to spend a fortune. It's an affordable smartphone designed for young people and design enthusiasts. If the phone starts to feel old, just swap the back cover, it's like a brand new phone. But what if the battery is worn out? Nothing hasn't given us an official solution, so today, we'll show you how to replace the battery. The back cover has this big knob. It's used to attach straps, stands, and other accessories. Unfortunately, none of these are included in the box, and they're only sold in limited regions. Even the SIM eject tool has a quirky design. Let's begin. First, power off the phone and remove the SIM tray. The back cover isn't glued down, so we don't need the magic self-heating pad this time. Remove the accessory interface screw. Then take out the 4 main screws. Press down here and lift. The back cover comes off easily, no prying needed. Super simple. If it gets scratched or dirty, just replace it, no case needed. Under this black film is the battery. Unscrew all the screws securing the cover. It says you're not authorized to remove the battery, but hey, it's my phone. The battery connector is under the upper shield. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently lift it. The lower shield was harder. It wouldn't move at all. Tried everything, only one side came loose. Could there be a hidden screw under the circular sticker? Yep, classic Nothing design. We saw a lot of hidden screws in the Nothing Phone 2 as well. If it's your first time opening this, it's confusing. Now we've got a full view of all the internals. Disconnect the battery. Drop some isopropyl alcohol into the gaps to dissolve the adhesive. Gently lift the battery and apply more alcohol. It comes out easily. The internal layout is clean and professional, typical big brand quality. If you're just replacing the battery, put the new one in and reassemble in reverse order. Let's take a look at a few more components. Unscrew the main board, unplug the flex cables, and the motherboard comes out. If your phone won't turn on, replacing the motherboard could fix it. Here's the display cable. And this is the daughter board with the charging port and SIM reader. Apart from the unique back cover, the internal design is just like most Android phones. Let's put it back together.
Wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of
Thanks for watching. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If this helped you out, give us a like and follow for more.